Hello fellows, welcome back on another tutorial on how to use Job Manager Addon in Classified Listing plugin. Before starting, we need the Classified Listing plugin and Job Manager Addon. So install these first. Now go back to your Classified Listing dashboard, then Form Builder. Here you will get a list named Job Submit. Click on this to edit this form. This is the interface of it. You can drag and drop any custom fields in this job submission form. Now go to the classified listing of your dashboard, then settings, find job manager and enable this option. You will get some other options to enable like separate job archive page title, breadcrumb, etc. in the general setting. There are some other settings options. Now save changes and visit the page. Click on All Ads. This is the Job Ad Listing Archive page. Click on this. This is the Job Listing Details page. All the changes you will make so far can be seen here. So let's go to the settings. Select Job Details style like with slider and see it here. If choose No Sidebar and save it, this will not be appear anymore. Reload it and view the changes. But I would like to keep it with sidebar. Then select your sidebar position and save the changes. Let's go to view the page and see the differences here. Back to the submission form settings. Here, you need to specify a field as internal link for the job. Then select an option for Apply Now button text. Now save all your changes. And go to the job submission page to view all the customization. Disable this option and provide the external link must. Like if you provide Google as external link, then click on Save and visit the post. Then click on Apply Now. It will take you to the Google directly. Alright, next back to the job submission form. Remove the link and save it. Now back to the page. Click on Apply Now. You will get a job application form. You can customize the fields. For this, go to the job application form settings. From here, you can enable or disable any fields for your application form like WhatsApp number, website, social profile, and the other options like what actually you want to keep. After saving, automatically these fields will be also disappear here. First, reload the page. Now see the changes. Now we will see the job application process. Nothing is so critical. This is also simple. First, click on Apply Now and provide your name like first name and last name. Then your date of birth. Upload your CV along with the cover letter. Then submit it. Thus, you will complete it successfully. Then log in your account. Go to the Applied Jobs. Your job status appears as pending here. It will be solved only then when the admin approved that. To solve this, go to the job application. These are the applicants. If you click on View, you can see the details of them. From here, you can decide and select the job status from these given criteria like selected. To see these changes, Go to the My Account page and see this here. You can also apply the same process for other applicants to select their job status. Thus, easily you can use Job Manager Addon for classified listing plugin. Thank you for watching.